Hate chasing late payments? Let FreshBooks do the awkward follow-up for you with automated, polite payment reminders. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to Settings, Automation. Look for Late Payment Reminders. You can turn them on and customize the schedule. For example, send a friendly reminder 3 days after the due date, another at 7 days, and a firmer one at 15 days. You can also edit the email templates to match your brand's tone, keeping them professional but effective. My crucial pro tip? Offer a small penalty or incentive in the reminders. In your later reminder templates, consider mentioning a late fee, if your contract allows, or, more positively, remind them that prompt payment ensures their project stays prioritized. A little psychology can go a long way. Automate your accounts receivable and improve your cash flow on autopilot. What's your most effective tactic for dealing with late payments? For more guides on healthy cash flow, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.